Okay, I just got in the door with this Singer 1200. Pulled a few things off of it. Let's see, where's my flashlight? Take a look. See what it looks like here. Looks a little dry inside. Pretty dirty. Not too bad, but pretty dry. Super dirty. That looks like, yummy. Yummy, yummy. I don't know what it looks like underneath the machine. I haven't taken a look at that part yet. I'm going to have to get this broken spool pin out. I've never had to do that before. Maybe that will prove to be. I guess that probably pops right out of there. That little ring, retainer ring that holds it. I'm assuming. It looks pretty dry. Overall, I'm going to turn this off because I have to have one hand. Come on, focus. There we go, focus. Let me get this light to come up a little bit. Grab a little more light. All right, let's see. And we got rotation. Really stiff and dry, so I'm not going to rotate it much. I'm going to throw a little oil to it first off. And then I'm going to go about getting a little grime off of it. Yeah, I think it could be worse. I'm missing a lever here on the... Wow, hey, strobe. Alright, missing a lever on the stitch length adjustment. Oops. I can't see anything else obvious. I've got another plate that'll cover that. I'll rob it off of a machine that I have that it'll fit. Let's see. That needs a screw. I've got a foot. Yeah, could be worse, I think. Alright. And let's see, we'll go for that number. It said, what was the year on this thing? 55? Yeah, 55. The cabinet is extremely attractive right now. Let's see. Put this flashlight under my chin. Got a little bit of extra paint there. And we do have the arm intact. Get the wires. Okay. The drawer is good. It looks like I just need that controller and the little parts that hook that controller. Oops, I don't know what I was shooting a picture of. That hook that controller up. Near as I can tell for the moment. Alright, thanks for watching. And we will update this as it progresses. It looks like grime, not rust. Thank goodness. Tune in, subscribe. Have a nice day.